Spreading holiday cheer with another quick and delightful Christmas recipe. No eggs, no flour, and ready in just 20 minutes. Let's jump right into the magic with these simple ingredients. You're going to need 250 grams of margarine, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 100 grams of ground hazelnuts, 1 to 2 tablespoons of rum, 100 milliliters of milk, 200 grams of chocolate chips, and 400 grams of ladyfingers. Alright, let's kick off this holiday sweetness. First, take your ladyfingers and put them onto your work surface. Now, let's take them out of their wrappers. And into the bag they go. We're about to give these little guys a makeover. Now, I don't have a food processor, so I'm just going to put them into the bag and then take a rolling pin and smash them politely, like this. Or, if you've got a boyfriend whose team just lost the game, now's the perfect time to recruit him and save your ladyfingers the trouble. Now that our ladyfingers are all crumbled up, let's transfer them into a bowl. Margarine, powdered sugar, ground hazelnuts, a splash of rum and milk, all joining the party. And now we are going to mix all the ingredients with our hands until they are well incorporated. The dough should be sticky but holds its shape. It should look like this. Let's transfer it onto a sheet of cling film or parchment paper. Gently tweak the shape with a wooden spoon, nothing too fancy. To make life easy, we are going to roll it between 2 sheets of foil. Aim for a thickness of around 1 centimeter or just under half an inch. And now we're going to cut it into squares. Take each square and give it some extra shape using your hands. Now grab a lined tray and put them in the freezer for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we are going to start with our chocolate. For the chocolate part, we are going to need a pot of boiling water. We are going to place a bowl on top and toss in a bunch of chocolate chips. We're going to mix them as they melt. When they're nearly melted, you're going to throw in about 2 tablespoons of neutral oil. The chocolate is done when it looks glossy like this. I also did white chocolate as well. You can do any you like. The process is going to stay the same. Now back from the freezer, our little bites are ready for their transformation. We are going to dip each square in the chocolate. You can also coat the whole square, but I wanted to do half. When the coating is complete, all that is left is the creative part. Have fun decorating.